So, g'day people, this is the last video I'll make today, and today we're about pulling a Swifty. So, pulling a Swifty, this means a deceitful or an unfair act that someone plays on you, or me, or you. Yeah, that's right, on me or you. So, when someone goes, "Oh, can I borrow your phone? I would like to just call up my boyfriend and just get him to come and pick me up." Yeah. And then you got the phone, you give it to them, and they go, "Ah!" and then they run away. That's pulling a Swifty, because you trusted them, and then they're gone. It's also like I don't know, your friends being deceitful as well. So when you got a friend, you go, "Oh, excuse me, mate, can I borrow 30 grand? I just need it to buy cigarettes." Then you go, "Oh yeah, no problem." You give them 30 grand, and 1 month later, they go, "Can I have my 30 grand back, please? I just need it for something." You go, "What? I don't know your 30 grand. Oh, you didn't lend me any money." So that's them pulling a Swifty. You lending them money and they're not paying it back. Pulling a Swifty. So being deceitful, dishonest, taking advantage of someone. So don't go around pulling Swifties on people, because it's not very nice to do. It's actually very bad. You need to have morals in this world. And if you pull Swifty on people, one day it's going to come back to you. Or maybe that person's just going to come around and either beat the crap out of you, or maybe, like in the United States, bang bang. So just be careful, people. Don't pull a Swifty, be safe, be honest, and have an awesome time learning new English expressions. Thank you, and have a bonza day, mate. Bye.